Hey everyone, so in this video I want to discuss on how to make your first sale, because that is the point where actually things started changing for us as well. And I just want to tell you that how I made my first sale, so that it gives you an idea that how you can make your first sale. So the very first thing is, in my case the first sale was pretty accidental. Why I'm saying this is because uh, at the moment, we were just focusing on career kites, and my father came to me one day and he just said that, okay, show me your website, how does it look like? And I was just scrolling through my website and he said, who designed this website? I said, it's me and my team. And he said, oh, it looks good. So why don't you just go and design the website for someone else as well? So I just said, we are not into service industry, we are doing our own gigs, we are in a separate industry, we are into educational industry. So he just said that, okay, at least give it a try. And I just started finding out that who could be the people who could require these kind of services. And even my father talked to one of his friends, and he said that yes, he was looking for someone trustworthy, with whom he can go ahead and proceed with the web designing. And my father actually introduced me to him. I just went there, I met him, and he just saw our website, that's it. So he said that, okay, if this is the website which you have designed, you can design our website as well. So I just at that point of time I was not looking for any of the money, to be very honest, because what I was actually getting at that moment was the opportunity, the very first opportunity. And it's actually really very important, because you need to have a good portfolio or a good set of work that you have done previously. And in the initial days we are not looking for any of the money. Even if someone was paying less, that was okay for us, because we were trying to get more and more work, and we were trying to build stronger portfolio of ours. And that is what I suggest to everyone, that first of all, go and search for the references. It can be anyone, it can be your friend, your relative. Don't just spend very much on advertisement or going to platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. You first need to find the people around us, and believe me, they are actually looking for the services, but since they don't know that you are the one who could help them, they are not referring or they are not coming up to you. So you first need to contact your near and dear ones, and once you find that, okay, I can help this person, or I can give him this kind of service, then from there, you can just grab your first sale, and you can start your journey from there. Thank you so much.